Do you ever feel like you're stuck in life? No matter how hard you try, things just don't seem to change? The truth is, success isn't just about what you start doing. It's also about what you stop doing. In this video, I'll show you 7 things you must quit to live a happier, more successful life. Let's get started. Quit negative self-talk. The way you talk to yourself shapes your reality. Stop saying "I can't" and start saying "I'm learning." Your words become your mindset, and your mindset creates your future. Quit overthinking. Overthinking leads to inaction. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Just take the first step and adjust along the way. Quit comparing yourself to others. Social media makes it easy to compare. But remember, what you see is only the highlight reel, not the full story. Focus on your own journey, not someone else's timeline. Quit toxic relationships. Some people drain your energy instead of lifting you up. If someone constantly brings you down, it's time to step away and surround yourself with people who inspire you. Quit making excuses. Excuses won't build your dreams. Action will. Instead of saying "I don't have time," start saying "I'll make time." Take responsibility and start making progress today. Quit seeking instant gratification. We live in a world of quick fixes, fast food, fast entertainment, fast everything. But real success takes patience. Choose long-term rewards over short-term comfort. Quit fear of failure. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of it. Every mistake is a lesson. The only way you truly fail is if you never try. Now it's your turn. Which of these 7 things will you quit first? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more self-improvement tips. See you in the next video.